Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve lag on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve lag on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.